Well, hello everybody. I just thought I'd put a video together to show you a problem which I had when flying the helicopter. I was noticed it was making a lot of noise at the rear of the helicopter here. There's a lot of vibration. In fact, it sounded like something was loose, something was shaking around. So anyway, brought the helicopter down and totally stripped it. It sounded like, actually sounded like a tin with a bucket of marbles inside, all shaking around, so it didn't sound good at all. No degradation to the performance of the helicopter at all. So it had to be something inside that was sort of kind of loose or binding or something that's causing a problem. I read a lot of threads and they suggested motor problems on these T-Rex 500s. With a 1600 kVA motor, no problems with that. Disconnected everything, spun the motor up, and it's running. No problems at all. So nothing wrong with the motor. I've checked the gears, bearings, checked lubrication, and they're running absolutely fine as well. So nothing wrong with the main or the auto rotation gear. And I checked also the sort of rear gearbox here for the tail. No problems there at all. All the bearings, well, they seem to be seated. I mean, you can see my black finger there. There's plenty of grease, in these bearings. And the helicopter's maybe been flown 15-20 times, so I'm not expecting any wear on these components yet. However, when I took the tail boom off, just to sort of check on the main torque tube, I had read some threads that these have become distorted. And just a caution when you're building these, this torque tube, it's a very snug fit for going into the tail section here, and going into the main box at the back of the helicopter. If you push this in too tight or too hard, whilst you're trying to get these teeth to line up, it's going to distort your torque tube, which is what's happened to me. And over time, with this thing spinning around, it's caused more and more distortion, and it's caused caused a problem to basically to get worse. I mean, the head spins at sort of 2500 RPM, so I'm guessing this is probably not too dissimilar. So over time, it makes a problem worse. I'll just show you. There's the torque tube there. This is meant to run completely true through the centre of the boom. There it is, it's bent. That going into the back of the box, it's causing a lot of vibration, and that was, well, I'm hoping that's my problem, because everything else seems okay. So anyway, I have since seen some threads that bent torque tubes like this cause a lot of vibration and a lot of noise, so I'm going to go ahead and get that replaced and let you know how I get on.